What is nothingness? It seems like the most simple and absolute concept, the absence of everything. Yet somehow from this nothing, the whole universe itself emerged. How is this possible? The answer appears to lie in the nature of what is hidden within the nothingness. Imagine nothingness not as the absence of existence, but as a state of boundless potential. This potential is infinite, yet it's not something physical, not something we can measure or contain. Physicality would impose limits, and this infinite potential cannot be limited. So, in this sense, this pure potential might as well be nothing. But, as the universe proves, it holds the potential to become far more than just nothing. Quantum physics gives us a glimpse of how this works. In the quantum vacuum, which is what some might describe as nothing, virtual particles constantly flicker in and out of existence. This chaotic activity suggests that even in emptiness, there is an underlying potential that can give rise to matter and energy. This is a reminder that what appears as nothingness may actually be full of the potential for everything. So, how does this infinite potential turn into the universe we know? The answer could well be through a process that resembles something familiar to us, the mind. Just like your mind holds countless ideas, but only brings certain ones into focus, the universe too has a way of focusing this potential into something real. Think of a mind. It is not physical in and of itself. It is a process of interactive focus and memory, and only through such processes does it become something realizable. In the same way, the universe is not just the product of a physical mechanism, but a process resembling a cosmic mind. A mind that holds infinite potential, yet manifests as something distinct and realizable. So how does this infinite potential, hidden within the nothingness, become the universe? It appears to be through a process similar to how the mind focuses and interacts with itself. Focus is the act of bringing something from potential into reality. At the quantum level, particles don't have defined positions until they interact. They exist in a state of potential only until a focused interaction collapses that potential into something measurable. In the same way, all creation within the universe is the result of focused interactions. Memory too is part of this same focusing process. As focus shapes interactions, the memory of these interactions builds upon each other, creating patterns and structures. These patterns evolve into galaxies, stars, and eventually life itself. In this sense, the universe is constantly remembering its own interactions. Each event, every physical interaction from atoms up, imprints itself into the fabric of space-time, adding complexity to the cosmic mind. Thus, what we see as the physical universe is the finite expression of this infinite source origin of pure potential. The universe is the unfolding process of nothingness becoming more than nothing, of potential becoming reality, yet remaining rooted in an infinite, mind-like source. Just as our minds use focus to shape our thoughts and actions, the universe shapes itself in much the same way, and it doesn't stop there. Once something is created, the universe remembers that interaction, building on it to create more complexity. Each interaction, whether it's a star being born or a particle colliding, adds to the memory of the universe. These memories form patterns and structures, slowly shaping everything we see today. From galaxies to life itself, this cosmic process of focus and memory creates the universe we live in. As humans, we are part of this same process. Our own consciousness is a microcosm of the universal mind, interacting, focusing, remembering, and creating reality moment by moment. This same infinite potential that turned nothing into everything flows through us. The universe isn't just around us, it's within us. Our thoughts, our actions, our dreams, they are all part of this cosmic unfolding of creation. We are the universe's way of knowing itself, of turning the abstract potential of absolute infinity into something real and meaningfully more than nothing. We are not separate from this process. We are part of the source of the universe realizing its own infinite potential.